Hello everybody, and welcome back to Casual Reptiles. Today, we're outside for the first time, so this is outside play date. Very first time going outside with this guy. He's gonna start smelling all kinds of new smells. I'm gonna let him play in the grass if he wants to for a little bit, and just let him kinda slither around and stretch out a bit. Now, when you're doing this, you gotta watch out for neighbors, because a lot of people don't like snakes. You gotta watch out for animals, as in neighborhood cats and dogs and stuff like that. And also, be careful of what birds are around, because a bird could swoop in really quick like a hawk and grab him before you could even save him. But otherwise, it is perfectly okay to take your snake outside and play with them. So for our first time, I would say so far so good. I don't want to be too presumptuous, but definitely wrap it up as a success. And we'll probably only hang out here for 10-15 minutes or so. He's not sure what to think about those tall plants, but 10 to 15 minutes or so, and then I'll probably take him inside and hold him a little longer or whatever and put him back in. Tomorrow's feeding day, so he is doing really, really good, actually, considering. He's getting very adventurous. He's going on a journey. I'd like to thank each and every one of you who watched this video, and as always everybody, stay casual.